Let us understand the insurance related aspects in case of advances against goods. Whenever loan or advances are given against stocks, those pledged or hypothecated goods should be insured against the fire and burglary risk. Okay, so this becomes of utmost importance, and for this purpose insurance have to be taken. And if there are riot and other risk are expected, such as emergency or war risk, then insurance coverage should be taken for those aspects as well. Hence it becomes necessary to take insurance to protect the interest of the bank, and proper security of goods is a must, so that a godown keeper or a security guard should be appointed. Sometimes the borrower may show some kind of resistance for burglary insurance. In such cases, if there is going to be resistance from the borrower for burglary insurance, in such cases it can be waived, otherwise it becomes absolutely necessary. So if the customer is not agreeing, then it should be waived, but it should be waived only by the appropriate authority. And whenever the insurance is taken for the goods, it should be taken for full market value. And why this is required? Because of what is known as the average clause. Let's understand. Let's say the value of goods kept is greater than the insurance coverage. To understand, let's say the goods maintained is 2 lakhs and the insurance is only, let's say, a lower amount, it is only 1 lakh. So goods maintained is 2 lakhs, insurance coverage is only 1 lakh. So in the event of loss, insurance coverage will be only for the proportionate value. Let's say you had 2 lakh worth of goods, insurance coverage is 1 lakh, there is some kind of loss and the value is around 50,000. So if the value is around 50,000, you cannot expect the insurance company to pay the full value of 50,000 on the demand that you have an insurance coverage of 1 lakh. No. Insurance coverage will go for proportionate value. What is that? Insurance company will pay only 50% of the loss, because only 50% of the goods are covered under insurance. The total goods are 2 lakhs, but what is covered under insurance is only 1 lakh. So only 50% of the goods are insured. So insurance company will pay only 50% of the loss. That is, they will pay only 25,000, and remaining 25,000 is considered as underwritten by the insured itself. So this is going to affect the interest of the bank. Hence the bank should insist that borrower goes for the full coverage. Next, whenever a fresh insurance is taken, then mortgagee should be marked as bank and mortgager should be the borrower, and there should be a bank clause to protect the interest of the bank. And if the insurance is already taken, then that insurance should be assigned to the bank by having an endorsement on the policy, and letter to insurance company to register the assignment should be taken care by the bank. And the branch should also ensure that confirmation is being received from the insurance company. Whenever the insurance policies are obtained or premiums are paid, then those documents should be in the custody of the bank. And if there are any non-fulfillment or non-compliance of any warranty or condition, that should be taken care immediately, otherwise they would affect the interest of the bank. And when fire cover is taken, it has to be ensured that fire cover is basically for the goods and not for godown. So the fire insurance terms have to be scrutinized very carefully. If goods are stored in various godowns, then all godowns should be covered, and letter should be sent to the insurance company. Okay, so letter to insurance company to register the assignment is also very important. So whatever the details of insurance company, whatever be the details of the insurance policies, they have to be recorded in the insurance register. Then the expiry dates of policies should be noted in the diary, and timely payment of premium and renewal of policies got to be ensured. And if there are advances without insurance cover, that should never be permitted. And in case of fire accident, the goods pledged or hypothecated or destroyed, then branch should immediately send intimation to the insurance company, to the sanctioning authority. and they should take immediate steps to recover the loss by lodging the claim on the insurance company.